This is in-game. Bro, get off our intro. This is in-game. Basically Squid Game, but yeah, in Roblox. And I got my brother here. Say hi. Yeah, nice. That's the spirit. And let's get in queue. All right, we in the game. Ready? Ready, bro? Nice. That's the spirit. All right, let's lock in. Alright. Let's go. Hey, power locking? Yeah, I don't mind. Come back, players. And now, your lives now belong to the game. You will be playing multiple deadly games. Bro, after some of them, an option to stop will be presented. But not every vote counts. Hey, that's not fair, man. If you want to give us a vote, at least make it fair, bro. Survive, obey, and fight back. Damn, that's crazy. Hey, why does watermelon up in my face, bro? Alright, where you at? Where you at, bro? Alright, nice. Get in the elevator. Get in the elevator, everybody. Alright, nice. Where you? Okay. Yeah, come on, like it. I hope he's playing that music. Bro, what? You don't like when I hit you? You don't like when I hit you or something? You ain't him. Alright, let's go. Alright, let's go. Where are you? Alright, let's lock in. You need to survive. Well, I'm sure at this, but he's not sure. Hey, you need to survive, bro. You can't be dying. I don't have no revive. But I do have this. Yeah, that's fun. Alright, gonna do that. Alright, go. Go. Come.
Red light.
Ain't no way. Ouch. Hey, you ain't getting away with that, bro. You ain't getting away with that. Ain't no way. Oh, fuck.
Red light.
Oh, I buddy.
Red light.
Carry me.
Green light.
Carry me, bro.
Red light. Green light.
Yes, thank you.
Red light.
Yes.
Green light.
You okay, bro?
Red light.
You okay?
Green light.
Heaven's merciless soldier taking you down,
Red light.
buddy. It's gonna be that way, alright.
Red light.
It's gonna be that way. Ignoring now. Alright, okay. Prove yourself. You proving yourself. You good. But next time you do that, you ain't getting away. Alright, we made it, guys. Nice.
Green light. Green light. Red light. Green light. Red light.
Just realized something, guys. Her eyes go all freaky when she turns around, bro. Why you be doing that? Ain't no way. Your eyes be freaky. Wow,
Green light.
that's great. Hey, if you want to be jumping on me, at least tell me first, bro. Damn,
Green light.
chill. You and him?
Red light.
Look at it. You know what, buddy? I will not. Oh, wrong person. I'm dead. Wrong person. I got it.
Red light.
Buddy. Buddy.
Green light.
Come. Wait. Oh, wait, never mind. Alright, we made it. We survived. Wait, did I really see that? Yeah, I already did that. Okay. Hey, I wanna know who be just throwing these smoke grenades or something. Like, is it you? It's you, you're dead. I'm talking to you in lights out, bro. It's you, you're dead. It can't be. Ain't no way. Come on. Lock in. Hey, I'm sorry. Sorry, did anybody tell you to do that? I'm sorry. But damn. You don't gotta be merciless, so. Damn. There you go, man, dude. Hey, you can't be pushing me when I'm him. Can't be. See, we got a witness here. You've seen too much, kid. Damn. Hey, you can't be doing that. Alright, you know what? I'll be mercy. I'll have mercy, okay? Guys, I'll have mercy this time. Alright? I'll have mercy. I'm gonna type that. Guys, have mercy. Guys, have mercy. Yeah, guys, have mercy, bro. Yeah, bro, have mercy, guys. Yeah, bro, have mercy. Hey. Nah, you can't be so. Fuck. Yeah, can't be so. Hey, let me take a picture for you, bro. Nice. Alright. Hey, you can't be witnessing too much. Alright, you know what? Guys, I will not have mercy. I will target people in lights out and everything. I will kill those who surrounded me around my car, bro. That was my car, bro. Damn, I'm about to hit him. Alright, let's see what I get. Hopefully, I get something easy, like triangle, or circle, or something. Guys, what am I gonna get? What do you think? Oh, thank goodness, because I thought I was gonna be dead, bro. Sackboy. Somebody got Sackboy. Nah. It's crazy. Wait, nah. My brother just showed me and he got Umbrella. Damn. You got Umbrella? That's easy. I hope you win. You know what? I hope you win. I'm waiting if you don't win. I'm talking to you in lights out. Alright, good. You good, bro. You good. Wait, nah, how come you have no hitbox? That's you're cheating.
Just one more game and that's it!
Y'all need help.
Come on, let's play one more game!
Y'all need help, bro. Y'all need help.
One more game!
Y'all can die in this game. Y'all can die. Why do y'all want one more game? Do you agree with them? That's what I thought. Wait, nah, hey, I'm talking to you in lights out. Bro. Ain't no way. Can't be. No. Yes, you. Who else should I be talking to? Because you wanna stop the games? You wanna rebel? No. I played these games before, you know. Without you. Hey, wait, how low are you? I don't want you to do that. How low are you, bro? How low are you? I know you're gonna say very because you don't want to do anything. Wait, let me. Full health? Oh, full health? Full health, you said. And? Full health? Wait, correct me. Full health? Full health? Oh man, no!
Just one more game and that's it!
Why you gotta be next to you?
Come on! Let's play one more game!
No!
One more game!
No! Bro.
Just one more game.
Why y'all want to die in these games? No. Don't be playing these games. Well, I'm not saying don't rebel. I mean, I'm not saying rebel, but I mean, like, I want to win my money. If I do. Yo, I hope you survive. I hope you survive so I can beat you up in the last games. All right, let's get something to eat, drink. I got a, what you call them? Kimbap. Yeah, you got kimbap. Hey, I feel like you're targeting me now. I feel like you're targeting me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Who told you could do that? I'm sorry. Did you misunderstand me? But who told you could do that? I'm sorry. But who told you can do that? Oh, and by the way, guys, this just gives you 3 power. I did it before. Guys, go and find this when you go into the in games. Okay? Yo, where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Bro, don't go over there. Don't, bro. Bob, don't go there. People will target you. Especially me. Hey, come. Come. Wait now. Wait. Think. Yeah. Try and do it. Go back. No! Hey, mistake one more time, and you wanna get this fork. You're gonna get this fork. Mess up one more time. Mess up one more time, bro. And you're gonna get this fork. Hey. I see you, you know. I can spot. I have mercy. Just this once, bro. Just this once. You get that? Just this once. Hey, nice. Oh, my bad. This is once, you know? This is once. Okay, I won't, I swear. I promise, I pinky that I won't hit you with a fork. Unless you want me to. I can do it. Oh, wait, no. Oh, man.
One more game. One more game.
Oh, I'm sorry. Anybody tell you can do that?
Just one more game, and that's it.
Just your instincts. Was it just your instincts?
One more game.
Was it just your instincts?
No more,
That's
no
what you do
less.
that. Was it your instincts? That's what you do? Oh, my bad. Hide and seek. Yeah, hide and seek. I'm so, my bad, bro. My bad.
No
But
less.
that's my bad. I feel like we got hide and seek. I can't remember. I have a very bad memory. Yeah, was it? Yeah, it was. And my brother, what was it? Yeah, I forgot that word. My brother, he is trash at that. Why are you slow as hell? Shh. Hey, anybody say you could shush me? Oh, no, wait, it was tug of war. It was tug of war. I have a very bad, memory. I have a very bad memory. Guys, if you're watching this video, tell me if you have a very bad memory or not, or is it just me? Alright? Y'all can do that for me? Okay, bet. Wait, nah. Me and my brother on different teams. Alright, Bob, you're cooked. Right? You're cooked. Hey, at least I'm not in front. Alright, go. Come on. Hey, I got myself. I got me, bro. Yeah. Come on. Yeah, lock in, bro. No. Lock in. No, my whole team just sold. Ain't no way. My whole team just sold. No. Bob. Can you fail just once, bro? Once. Fail by purpose. Just this once. Please. Please. Just pray, please. Hey, I'm him. R.I.P. Comment R.I.P. in the comment section below. Comment R.I.P. R.I.P. Bob 1. Yo, who's gonna be dying? Who's gonna be dying in the games? Who's gonna be dying? Nobody gonna be dying. Well, ain't nobody named Rainy the reindeer is gonna be dying. Alright? Nobody named Rainy the reindeer is gonna be dying today. Unless a hacker. I think. Please don't. I don't wanna die. I don't wanna die. I don't wanna die. Yes. I am so pro at this game. Yes. I love this. Yay. You ain't him, buddy. You ain't him. I'm sorry. Did anybody tell you could do that? Oh, what do you say? I haven't done this one yet. I am pro. I wanna go first. W Bacon, can you carry me, please?
No, buddy.
Oh wait, this cutscene is sick, bro. This cutscene is nice. Okay, yeah, this cutscene is nice. Yeah, I like this cutscene. Hey, anybody wanna go first? I don't wanna go first. I wanna go first. Ready? No? Hey, go. Somebody go. Nice. Yes, I'm cracked. Let's go. GG. Nice. Yeah, GG, bro. GG's. Thank you so much. I wanna go too. Yeah, okay, it wasn't me. Alright, can you do it? Oh, you got. For a second there, I thought he was riding a scooter. I don't know why. Did anybody see that? I thought he was riding a scooter. Somebody 100. 100? I hope you died. Why do you want to play one more game, bro? Ain't no way. The glass maker. Wait, yeah. Survive jump rope. Hey, I survived this plenty times. Why did I now get that badge, bro? Why? Nah, that's crazy.
One more game and that's it.
No.
Come on, let's play
Me
one
and
more
L?
game.
No.
One more game.
Yeah.
One more game.
I
game.
hate you. Why do you want to play one more game? Okay, let's lock in, okay? Lock in. My name is Rainy the Reindeer, and I am here to win. At least I think so. But, fun is fun. Hey, there's slowpokes. First one there. Wait, I don't want to be the first one there. Because I'll die. I'm just going to wait for them. Oh, yeah. Yeah, go, bro. Go. Hey. My bad. Hey, go. Yeah, go, bro. Go. My name is the Glass Maker. Why don't you go first, eh? You're getting strong, man. Yeah. Alright, let's lock in. Okay? Lock in, rain clouds. Lock in. Somebody go, bro. Someone go. I swear I'll take you down. Hey, what is it here? Hey, bros. Time's ticking, bro. ticking. Hey, nah, I ain't going. Oh, yay. I'm good. Yeah, me too, bro. Me too. No, random person. Random person is like crap, bro. I feel like somebody should go, but it's not me. Hey, I ain't going. I just want to say that I ain't going. Nice. Let's go. This guy in the back, just there. He ain't doing nothing. He's just there, bro. Nice. Glassmaker is cooked. I mean, what do you call it? Cracked, yeah. Yeah, he is cracked, bro. Ain't no way. Alright, yeah. Let's go. Y'all are good. Y'all are good, bro. Y'all are good, bros. You and me. Say that one more time and I'm talking to you. And one more time. Sorry. I'll do it. This is once, bro. This is once. Alright. Let's lock in. Can I punch somebody? Oh man. That. Let's go. Oh no. I'm gonna get shot. What do you call this game? I'm scared. I don't wanna go. I'm scared, bro. I don't. Alright, let's lock in and be positive. Although I'm gonna die. But hey, fun is fun. Especially when people hit somebody. Alright? I hate you. Come on, let's go. Alright, let's lock in. Somebody's name is Thanos. Wait, who was that? I wanna know. I think it's that red guy. How do you get a different color suit? I just wanna know. Somebody tell me in the comment section below. Hey, that rhymes. I'm a rhymer. This guy is a rhymer. Really? Want somebody to rhyme? Call me. Can't be hurting. Nobody hurt nobody, but only I can. Okay? Only I. Oh. You missed it. Alright. Lock in. Let me lock in. Guys, type lock in the comment section below. Alright? Let's be you and me. You and me. Not you. Tree. Oh, no.
Just one more game. No more, no less.
Yeah.
One more game. One more game.
Why is that saying
One more game. 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 One more game.
Back, my friend.
Let's go. Let's go. Here rooms are tree. Alright. Let's lock in there.
Just one more game. No more, no less.
Let's go. Alright. Let's go.
One more game. 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 One more game.
Let's go.
Just one more game. No more, no less.
Trash person. Trash Alright, we cooked.
Welcome back, my friends.
Hey, I've never been in a black suit before though. That's cool. Yeah, I love black suits, you know? Black suits are cool. Yeah. First time surviving Mango. Insane. Wait, no, what am I talking about? No. I have. Let's go, bro. Let's go, rain clouds. That's right, I'm calling you rain clouds right now. From now till the end. Let's go. I've never been in a black suit. How many times have you been here? Black suits are cool, bro. Ooh, yeah. Everybody is in black suits. Let's go. Black suits are cool. Comment black suits are cool in the comment section below. Alright? Let's go. Let's go. And why does God be watching us though? Wait for me. Wait, nah. I think we got the secret like last dinner thing. I'm not sure though. I don't think so. Maybe not. Go. Oh no. Never been here. Oh no. I'm cooked. I ain't skipping. Hey, I don't want to fight. Oh, you know, never mind. I want to fight. Oh, hell no. Not if I'm cooked. Oh no. I am cooked. Don't mind me here.